Alright, here's randomization for Shane's Viking Raz. Looks like we got Victor on top, Victor on bottom. Looks like we have Case Keenum, speed, Anthony Barr Ice, Barr Speed, Barr plus Kendrick's Rep plus $50, or Cheryl's College plus 150, but there's no COA. We'll go down here and type live. There's 604. Well, it says 605 there, but you got it. Alright. Copy this list over here. Victor on top, Victor on bottom. 5 or greater on the dice roll. We have 4, that's no good. 8. 605, 605. Alright, let's find a winner. Good luck, everyone. Alright, going on the final round. That was round 7. Go back here, type in final round, good luck. Looks like yes. 605, 6 rough time. 606. Alright, and the winner is Victor, spot 1. Congrats, man. Contact Shane and make your choice of helmet. There's the code. Go back here, type in done, 7 rounds. Alright, everyone have a great night, and hopefully those Vikings can win tomorrow.